Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and fellow with the 2021 participants. Greeting to all of us. Let me introduce myself. My name is Martinus Rio, along with Elders Prapaska. Mr. Professor Insinyur Prasasto Satwiko, MBSc PhD, and Mrs. Kairunisa STM Engineering PhD. On the occasion of this morning, we will explain some point about our writing entitled Digital Application of Home Architecture Growing Housing Career and Push-Pull Mooring Factor Approach. Introduction 1. The Simple House Program is a government program every year that benefit the lower middle class. 2. Houses in residential areas are undergoing renovation on average due to demand for space requirement. The increase in the number of occupants and change in the function of the space. 3. Undirected house cost negative impact, including utility loads, ecological factor, and ineffective spatial patterns. The purpose of this paper is to provide information on how housing career behavior of a person or family can provide benefit in determining the development or renovation of growing house, which is followed by the shift of architectural service to architectural digital application. Provide illustration of architectural digital application development that can be utilized, understood, and used by the lower middle class. Research methodology used is based on several previous scientific research approach, some literature, and open questionnaire. Then, for the questionnaire state, development or renovation approach was carried out related to the purpose of one's behavior housing career. The push-pull mooring factor is a shift for service as an architect to a digital architectural application that is carried out in one of the simple statement in Alam Sintang Housing, Sintang City, West Kalimantan. Result and discussion. Housing caring according to Murdi and Han, who argue that there are 5 phases of housing career. 1. The phase of person not having children. 2. The phase of person getting married and giving birth to have children. 3. The phase of person raising a child. 4. The phase of a person having a child who has reached adulthood, is independent, and began to leave the parents' house. 5. The phase of fencing old age. At this stage, parents have begun to need the role of elder in caring for their life. The 5 phases of housing career help identify a person identity, amount, and space needs. The use of architect service so far is influenced by service, timelines, price, and the result of the architect's design. The push-pull mooring factor can affect the development of architect service with the factor of service timeless, price, and the result of the architect design. It is possible to switch the architectural application and technology. Easy of operation and affordable price in architectural digital application is one of the change in architectural service to architectural based application. Conclusion: the importance of the service of an architect in the design and construction process of house is growing. This is influenced by beautiness, strength, comfort, and price in the process of building a house to grow into principal thing for homeowners. The concept of a growing house with a housing career approach will be experienced by developing countries as Indonesia. The need for housing increases every year. The use of a growing application approach that is influenced by housing career can help and simplify design process for the lower middle class. As for the president in this study with Merrill and Carlton using a computational system. This is application. Okay, here are some reference of our writing. That's the explaining of our writing. We thank you for your attention and comprehension.